What's up, y'all? What's going on? Good morning. Make sure sound is right.
I need you to hear me, what I'm about to say.
Had to go run and go get some breakfast for the wife and kids. I'm just getting back. But we about to get everything set up. What's going on, BTC? Good morning, brother. Florida boy. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, y'all? Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button while you are in here. Get you some free stocks with Moomoo by clicking that link in the bio. What's up, everybody? We are doing a live market open. I'm Lando Success, your host for this morning. We are getting our asses beat right now in the market, man. It's bloody, it's red all around. So let's first see what's popping. We got Mr. Davis in the building. What's going on? What's popping? What's popping, player? All right. So first, before we look at that, we can check the pre-markets. So with Moomoo, I like Moomoo used to give me great pre-market indications of what's going on. Let me make myself appear down here. Bam. There I go. Top gainers before the market open, you had Decision Point, because we're going to cover a lot of companies are doing their earning report today. So soaring up more than 53%. That's crazy. And one I expected to do good is BioNTech. I did a video a while back on this company. I knew, they basically cover the medicine area. I'm not going to say the V word. They cover this stuff right here. And, with C19, all of that stuff, they rose 2% in the pre-markets. BioNTech trials Wall Street estimate for profits and revenue in its latest quarter, and also backed its prior outlook for 2022, including projections. Tyson Foods rose 1% in the pre-markets after the beef and poultry producer beat profit and revenue. Yeah, because people still eating. Top losers, Plantier, they had their earning report, I believe, already today. Yeah, this morning. I listened to some of the call, but they messed up the audio, so I had to log out of there. The data analytics software company shares plunged 15.4% in pre-market trading after posting a mixed quarter. Plantier reported a profit of 2 cents per share compared to 4 cents a share consensus estimate. Rivian went down 18% on a report that their shares are being sold by Ford Motor Company. Ford said to hell with them. I told everybody when they first came out, do not buy any Rivian because, 2 plus 2 equal 4. And it wasn't equaling 4 to me. It was equaling 8, when you looked at that. So come on over here. Come on over her. We got Dow is down. Starting off. We have NASDAQ. I figured it was going to be a disgusting day today, but right now it's only 300 points. I think it's going to end the day with over 700 points or worse. We will see. So everything is ready. You have Amazon, Facebook, Tesla is still over $800. So it's opportunity. Anything under 1,000, in my opinion, is the opportunity. But you see that big drop. What else we got? Ford is down. No green yet. Oh, we finally got some green. Netflix. Netflix did a good rebound day. Why is that? Shares slammed 50%, but getting cheap. Anybody invest in Netflix? I always felt Netflix was overvalued, so I never got in with them. PayPal, 80 cents. Stack, all of my REITs are down. Roblox. You got Robinhood up just a little bit. This is that BioNTech I told y'all about. That's up. Rivian. They're going to go down even worse. Rivian stock plummets. Ford unloads 8 million shares. Damn. That's a lot of shares to be dumping off. Dow futures drop more than they haven't updated anything just yet. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. What's going on? Welcome to the morning live stream. Jonathan, good morning. Keep up the good work. You're on top of all the news I need to know. Hey, all you got to do is come here. You're going to know what's going on in crypto. You're going to know what's going on in the stock market and some hustles and ways to be able to make money. Anthony say crypto is crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Let's look at some crypto. Yeah, crazy is a freaking understatement at this point. It is getting beat down. Look at this. We are down 5% in the whole global crypto market. Trending is stepping. We've been talking about stepping on a lot on a channel lately. Bitcoin is down 13% in the last week, 3% in the last day, under 34,000, close to 33,000. Let's see this. Coinbase shares are down 7%. Damn, Coinbase down to under $100 a share. It makes sense. Hold on, so I'm going to be going all over the place. Do I have Coinbase up top? Look at that, y'all. Down to freaking, look at that. This is bad. From the time they came out, it's literally, if you ever invested in Coinbase, you just completely lost money from the beginning. $300 all the way to under 100 in a year. Yeah, Coinbase is getting whooped on, especially today. Now look at this. Well, Bitcoin is in the last day, and it's still going down. This is actively still going down as we speak. Dude, this is bad. In the last week, look at good old Bitcoin going down. The last month. So what I'm doing right now is looking for is low. When was the last time Bitcoin was 33,000? We 3 months back, we still wasn't at 33,000. We got to go back a year to see everything. The last time we were at 33,000 people is that July? Jeez, that was in July. So almost a year ago was the last time it was this low. Now the lowest in the year is right under 30,000. So we're going to see, are we going to go down that low, and that'd be our new support point right there. And you got ETH. ETH is going down too, under 2,400. This is time to completely get your bags up. Get your bags up. Dollar cost average. So right now, since we don't know how low it's going to go, I wouldn't put no big bag in it. You know, some people say they're taking their money out. And if you took your money out yesterday, shit, you're still saving money. But, you know, with the big ones, I say just keep on slowly but surely dollar cost averaging into it. Let's see, the last time it's at 2,400 was the same thing. Yep. In July. So we close to a year from our all-time highs. Let's see. BNB is at $300. We got Solana. Man, Solana, I said under $100 was a steal. Solana about to be under $70. Jeez. Down 17% in the last week. So their low support level is right around $30. Imagine Solana going to $30, yo. You see, Cardano is getting it completely manhandled. Cardano at 66 cents. Terra Luna. Oh my gosh. No. $60. Jeez. I'm definitely gonna probably buy a Luna coin today. You know, only a hot 60 of them things. Let's see. Remember, this is the darkest day right now before dawn. Science accumulate. Yeah, the thing is, I'm not scared. You know, I'm more happy if anything because I get to get better positions. Shiba's down. This is 11% in a day. I don't know if it will ever be able to recover on that level. Appreciate that like who just pressed it. You know, I see it. When you guys press that like button, I get to see it. Jeez, man. If Shiba is close, not too far from its all-time low, man, I think Shiba is literally about even from a year ago today. Shiba is close to even. Just bad. Where Doge at? Doge is at 11 cents. Oh, they doing a little rally right now, Doge. Doge is making a little comeback. Now look at this. Last year, Dogecoin just been getting completely whooped on. And it's getting worse and worse. That's why I was telling people on a live yesterday, meme coins, 98% of meme coins won't exist. They can't handle tough times because they don't have no utility. You got to think, you use meme coins mainly for hype. You know, you want to be hyped up on meme coins, and it's good to get in when everything is good. The worst thing ever can happen to meme coin is the market completely crash, because when things going bad, you don't be like, all right, let me go put some more money into Doge. You're like, people want to go to the safe stuff. That's what everybody main thing they want to do. It's my brother calling me on a live, doing a live. But yeah, that's usually how it go for real. Who's in here? What y'all talking about? People saying BTC coming down to 28K. What do I think? Let's see. To be honest, I have no idea. Because my philosophy, what I tell everybody all year, I said, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to literally trade between 35,000 and 45,000 with a high of 52. I never said a low. I guess I never put that into my thought process. So let's just say if I figured the high is 52, that is 7,000 higher than my average. Because remember, I said 35 through 45,000. 7,000 higher, right? So let's go 7,000 lower. So 7,000 lower than 35,000 will be 27,000. So I will say that here live. So we will say Bitcoin this year is going to trade between 35 and 45 with a high of 52 and a low of 27. But the main general year, we're going to trade between 35 and 45. I guess I just didn't expect it to go under 33 this year. And, but we didn't expect a recession, but geez. So the question is, how low can it go? Can it go down low? All the way to the floor? To be honest, I think it can definitely keep going lower. The reason it can probably keep going lower is nothing has happened to change and make everything better, such as we still have WAR stuff going on with Ukraine and Russia. We about to have a real estate market crash. We dealing with inflation. We're dealing with gas prices. We're quote unquote still dealing with the virus, especially if you're in China or somewhere. So we're dealing with so much stuff. I don't think it's over. I don't know when we're going to see a bottom, but I do know this is nothing but opportunity, because you have to think, we get these opportunities once every blue moon. The problem is, y'all, when we have the quote unquote opportunity, when we have the crash, people are usually scared, not buying in, not taking advantage. This is when you get rich. The problem is, you need to be okay with knowing, let's say worst case, this shit can stay low for the next 2-3 years. Stay in a sunken place. Because when Bitcoin crashed down from 19,000, the reason I didn't invest back in when it went from 19,000 to 3,000 is because I lost faith. I thought it would never reach back to that level, because it just traded sideways for a long time. For my new people, my new crypto people, look at this. Actually, we're going to do it like this. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, play us. Popcorn players. All right. Look at this. When Bitcoin is really 19,000 or higher than that, but okay. What does it say? We just going to say right here, we're just going to say it hits 17,000, right? When it hits 17,000, we expect it to go to 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, whatever it is. And look at this. That's December 20th in 2017, I believe. After that, it crashed down. So remember, 50% of 17,000 is what? Says take it down to 7,000. So it went down 50% right there. Look at this. Look at that. It went down. Bitcoin crashed down damn near 80%. So I'm like, oh man, it's a wrap. So you got to think, once it did this, it traded under 10,000. We will say from January 2017 to July 2019, it looked like. Like for 2 years, it traded under 10,000. We didn't expect this huge opportunity. We never expected this. But I know now I would never again not take advantage of this area. And right now, you got to think, from our all-time high, we're going to say 70,000. We are down over 50%. So we are right around right here. We close to right there. So possibly it can go to right here. And if it do that, you got to take advantage. You just have to be mentally prepared for it to not go back up as soon. Now, I don't believe that would be the scenario, because I told people beginning of this year, I believe we was going to have a red year in crypto. So I expected us to have a red year. That's why I said this is going to be the lowest time you will ever again be able to get Bitcoin under 30,000. Ethereum under 3,000, under 2,500. This is going to be the lowest. We're not going to be able to see this again. So you need to really take advantage of it And I don't necessarily believe that it's gonna take that long to go back up, because my analysis, what I say, Bitcoin will hit 100,000 in March 2024. So we said we got some time. So hit that like button if you haven't did it already. Come on down. Like the price is right. Florida boy love that sale. Everything is on sale, fam. Hell yeah. Javion Parker in the building. What up, dog? Ant in the building. Crow is at. Yeah, we gotta definitely look at Crow. Definitely have to look at Crow. Let's check them out. Let's check out Kronos. Crypto.com. Crypto. You at 24 cents. Shit. I never thought I would see it at 24 cents again ever, to be honest. Now look at their floor. Their floor is close. Crypto is close to the floor. The floor is, we'd just say 20 cents. We'd be nice and say, really like 19 or under. But we're just going to say 20 cents. So realistically, you might see it go all the way down to like 17 cents, then just boost right back up to like 20. But yeah, I never expected crypto to go down this hard. The good thing is, people is not usually selling Crow. It's just not a crypto you're buying and you're selling. You gotta think, look, people are still buying it because Kronos, their ecosystem is crazy. It's definitely a win. But non-top opportunity, this should be your everyday buy. You can start as low as now. Put in $5 a day with Crow. Literally $5. Just up. $5. Everybody get $5. Just go ahead and invest $5. Tomorrow, another $5. Another one. Yeah. Say, I hope it do more bang for your buck. I'm loving all this fire. Yeah. Because thing is, I'm losing money. I'm assuming you guys are losing money. We are losing money. But we'll be okay, because I'm assuming, majority of the people that's watching this don't have over $100,000 plus in crypto. I don't have over $100,000 in crypto. I'm assuming most of you guys don't. Since we don't, this is more opportunity for us. So, when it do go up, we might have a whole different conversation next year, MM Finance, Savannah, even a launch pad, everything is down. Yeah, let's look at some DEX coin gecko. Let's check out where's my portfolio? All right, we got a little boost in the last hour. Look at this last 24 hours, yo. MMF is down to 23 cents. And I took my money completely out right now because it's just, I'm not over here. It's so much opportunity. It's no point for me to just stay and get my ass beat over there. So I took my money out of that ecosystem and I'm going to put it back in. I always move around over there, and especially in Savannah Finance, because, I tried to time it. I made a bunch of money. I took out before the dip. Then I put back in what I put back in when M shares is at over $3,000. And I'm like, oh shit, it's not gonna go no lower than that. And you still lose 50% of your money. Look at the Savannah Finance, 25 cents. Jesus, MMO, $3. I don't care about no Tiger and Lion, Pegasus, and all that stuff. Do they have a Hakuna Matata in here yet? Is it HKN? Hey, there we go. 85 cents. 85 cents. So, yep, soon as they started. And I don't even participate anymore, launch pads no more, because it's a waste of money. Once the whales completely took away the fun from everybody, it's not worth it. How do I add this on here? Because I'm used to doing this from my phone. Yep, add to my portfolio. There we go. Guna Matata means no hardies. What is I don't like that. I'll connect then. Look at that because I want to know what's their. Actually, let me just connect now. I want to see what's their APR. DeFi. Come on, player. Well, I still got some money over here in my DeFi wallet, so I could invest. Got some money sitting. All right, let's see. So here we go. Jesus, that's why I think on the debt. Look at this. That's crazy. I should put some money over here. Is that 13,000%? Since everything going down, daily APR is 35,000. Jeez. Yeah, I might put some money back over there. Yeah, because it's going down. But look at this. It's gonna change soon as the price go up. But man, yeah, I'll put 100 over there. See what it do. That's what I do. I'll slap a little bit of money over there. Anybody got any money over there right now? If so, how you bag looking over there? Damn, Hakuna Matata have some great APRC. Yeah, I just checked it out. That's crazy. Even the market going down, I need to get in on that. I'm gonna start with 100 because I have some money in my wallet sitting there. I just took everything out. Y'all got cash on the side. I need more cash on the side. Need to go drive. I want to go make some right now money. I'll probably go drive tomorrow. The question is, drive where? I want a pickup in Michigan, so I won't have to hop on a plane. But, they got a bunch of opportunities. And so what's dope about the company I got a contract with, I have a app where I get to see how much is. They won't be mad if I show y'all this. So you literally get to see how much each load is like paying. And they tell you what type of unit it is. So usually back in the day, I used to just go to whatever's paying the most. But now I'm more strategic because I don't have the same flight benefits. Ooh, they got a Florida one paying some good money. So, yeah, I really need to get on the road and make some cash on hand money. And my son's birthday party coming up in a few weeks. A player needs some more monies. Y'all got cash on the sidelines waiting for these dips to dip even further. So, what's your game plan? If you got cash on the side, like, when do you know that we hit a bottom? Such as, okay, are you gonna wait for a bounce? Like, what's everybody have a different way they do it. Yeah, I want to see what's yours. As market manipulation as well. So you think it would go down more? Yes. Because we got too much, we don't have any positive news to make the market recover right now. Nothing is positive. We don't have any news that's switching it around. The yield farms are wild right now. Whales are out in the force manipulating the price. Heck yeah, they are. Terry in the building. What's going on? I'm loving it. Give me time to average down. You are not lying at all. You starting to sound like Da Vinci 80 years ago. You know it. Catch the low line though. Kuna is hovering around 70, 80 cents. Good APR staking. Yeah, I'm getting all in there. I left the wish I had for the glad crown a long time ago. Daily's kicking out. Yeah. So yeah, let's look at some of these earner reports. So let's see what we got going on. First, let's check out Palantir. That's how you say it. Where is it at? Okay, what's theirs? PLTR. PLTR earner report. PLTR earning. Look at that. Damn. Down 20%? Ooh. PLTR. Dang, y'all getting whooped on. Look at that. Jeez. Yeah, that's big L. Q1 miss. Q4 miss. Let's see the revenue. Where is? I will have to probably pull it up. Palantir earning revenue guidance. On Monday, report March earning that miss views while revenue edged by Wall Street. Let's see, their stock plunged as revenue guidance came in below expectations, slowing government growth. Denver-based Palantir reported the first quarter earnings. So basically their earnings just down. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. Meanwhile, analysts expected Palantir earnings at 4 cents a share on a revenue. In the March quarter, revenue rose 54%. So they grew in revenue. Have retreated. Yeah, so that's definitely huge for the market. That's not a good sign. And it's funny, I don't even want to do no stories right now about what's going on. Let's go to good old Yahoo.
Tuning out of tech. The major sell-off in tech stocks continues as investors fret about slowing growth for the sector. Today, 2 household tech names are getting pummeled. Palantir's earnings were lacking, and money-losing Rivian is likely losing Ford as a major investor. Put through the coffee grinder, Starbucks fights itself in more hot water over how it treats employees, but now the coffee giant is fighting back. We'll have the details. And Dr. Love. It was a big weekend at the box office for the latest Marvel franchise, Doctor Strange. We'll talk to IMAX CEO Rich Gelfond about the path forward for the movie theater industry. Now let's give it to Yahoo Finance Inez Ferre over at the Wi-Fi Interactive. Inez.
And Brian, a continuation of the sell-off that we saw last week. We are seeing the major averages lower, but I have the world map here so you can see that in other parts of the world also stock markets are in the red. You've got the London FTSE, the Frankfurt SAC, the Hong Kong Hang Seng down more than 3.5%. The Chinese ADRs today are under pressure. Let's take a look at where we're at with the NASDAQ composite out of the major averages that's losing the most, down more than 2% right now. I've got the 30-year Treasury that's up right now at 3.24%. The 10-year is at 3.12%. And the U.S. dollar index, not a lot of green, but the dollar index has been going higher. And this has been putting pressure on commodities. So we are seeing a WTI crude that's down more than 2.5%. Remember that you still have lockdowns in China. Gold futures are lower. Taking a look under the hood at where we're at with equities and the sector action, we are seeing XLE.
Right now. Where is my Moomoo? Fed rate hikes are good for banks unless they in a recession. Why Bitcoin, Ethereum, our stocks are diving. Shares of crypto related, including Coinbase, Riot, Block, Riot, are trading lower Monday. Traders are continuing to digest Wednesday Fed rate hike announcement. Cryptocurrency has been seen by some investors as speculative hedge against inflation, and the Fed plans to curb inflation could weigh on the broader cryptocurrency sector. Bitcoin is trading lower, Ethereum is lower. And briefly, the reason I titled this video cryptocurrency versus stock, right? This is the deal. A lot of things I've been noticing in my comments is people been talking shit about crypto. People been bashing it, crypto down, all that type of stuff. Time out. where do you have your money at right now where things is positive? So it's like you need to check yourself where it's like, man, Warren Buffett was right, man. Crypto is going to fall. Okay, let's just go to the numbers. Hey, good old stock market. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Look at the Dow over the last month. What's that? Red? Oh, that's crazy. Last 3 months, red. Last 6 months, red. Year to date, red. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Red. Oh, we know Amazon making money. Red. What about Facebook? Red. So, yes, Bitcoin, red. It all looked the same, and people would pick and choose and be like, well, crypto is down. I told you guys about that cryptocurrency. Buddy, you invest in Netflix. you invest in one of these companies that's going all the way down. So I don't want to hear it, dude. I really don't want to hear it. People just dumb. We got Bobby in the building. What's going on? Everybody say what up to Bobby. Glad I caught the live this time. What that money talking about? That money talking about a bunch of opportunities. Play a bunch of money making opportunities we can take full advantage of. I am taking full advantage of it. I need to, do some more pimping because money is low. But, I got to pay some bills today. Go out, go make some money. Try to plan to go drive so I can go over the road. Been home too much lately. Been having to do stuff. I had to do a birthday event this weekend. Minnesota Fed president. Fed don't see hikes 75. And you have to think, this is the first time we did a 50-point basis in like 20 years. So this is technically the highest we have raised, our interest rates, quote unquote, in the last 20 years. So that's another thing that's scaring people, Feel like I'm sounding staticky. Let me know if I'm sounding staticky. Could just be my headphones or something. Buy the dip is in the past tense. But what if the dip keep buying? That's what I'm going to create a shirt. That's what I'm going to do. Down below, I'm going to create a shirt, buy the dip. And it's like, what if the dip keep dipping? So remind me to do that. I want to do that today. Create that shirt. Let's see. The bearish sentiments is pervasive throughout the market, putting on a damper on the S&P for its second worst performance in 40 years. Market jitters are significant as investors are frightened to abandon the buy the dip, a traditional strategy turning out to be lucrative during the past 40 years. Yet this time it is losing its appeal. Yeah, because it's like, buy the dip, but what if it keep dipping? We get it. But we know history, dog. We completely know history. Let me show y'all something. Let's do Google. And let's do stock market historical average. Let's do S&P. Pushing B. All right, look at this. So the reason I knew we was going to have a red year because I showed you guys. Well, okay, I probably got some new people in here, right? So this is the deal. Don't pay attention to the first year. That year. All right, this is the deal. Last year, we had a 26% year growth. Think of that. 26% growth in the S&P. That's crazy. Actually, I want the Dow. Hold on. Let me try one more thing. See, Dow Jones. Nope. It's a different chart. It's a different chart that I wanted. Where is it at? I need to really save it, to be honest. Can't find it. But we'll use this one for example. So last year, 26 in the Dow, 26%. Whenever we go over, let's say, was it 18%? You look at the following year. I would have to look at the S&P because I do not want to do it off the Dow because it's not going to give me an accurate number. So I will bring that up. Let me try one more time. Let's see. S&P historic. Look at. Yeah. I'll pull it up later. But basically, what I'm trying to show you guys is where whenever you have a year where it's over 18%, we just go over the last 10 years. Right now it's 2022. We can go back 10 years to 2012, right? So we had green year, 13% amazing, 29% amazing, 3 great years. Usually, whenever you have over an 18% year, the following year, you're limited on how much growth you're going to have. Because in the last 10 years, okay, we did over 18% this year, followed up with 11. But then we had a red year. We went over 18% right here. Then we had a red year. Now, the market, it only made sense. We went over 18% here, crazy year, an even better year. This only makes sense for us to damn near be down 20%. It's too much money was being pumping last year alone. The market been going crazy. Everybody been making too much money alone. Now look at this. 2008, that's the last time we had a quote unquote recession. And that was with the real estate crash. We went down 38%. Think of that. Right now we're only down 13 and we're crying. Think of going down 38%. And that's not even with crazy years before. So it's not like the market was making good money. Then, you had this recession. Now, this is more realistic because, look, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing years in the market. So just imagine if you got $1 million in the market, if you had $1 million in the Dow, you made $340,000 just by holding $1 million in there. The next year you made $200,000. The next year you made $300,000. The next year you made 260,000, close to 200,000. So after a while you're going to follow up with some bad years. And you see right here, down 10%, down 13, down 23, then a strong ass rally. So we might mess around and be, like this. The only difference, we won't have 3 red years, in my opinion, is because technology changed and people know how to make money during a recession now. So even though we're down 13%, I see it going no more than 22% down for the year. And the question is it going to close out, that bad? Because we are kind of early in the market. We still got some time in there. So we got some time to recover. Microsoft launched a cybersecurity service. Tesla covered travel costs out of state healthcare, including what Tesla doing. Tesla covered travel costs for out of state healthcare, including reported abortions. Tesla would do that. See, the policy, which Tesla has been since 2001, was made public. Its impact report released Friday, though the report does not mention the word abortion. The wording of the policy seems to include the procedure. Let me not get shadow banned talking about that. I'll leave that to the pros. Sinclair post profits and a strong fuel demand. Yeah, I freaking hate going to Sinclair's. Anybody got gas there? Their freaking gas is always the highest. When I'm driving on the road and you're in the middle of nowhere and the only gas you gotta go here, and their shit is high as hell. Tyson did good revenue. C19 makers focus to boosters. They just keep on making boosters. Now, for the people that just came in, Rivian stock plummet as Ford unload 8 million shares. That's crazy. I told people from the beginning, leave this company completely alone. Shares of Rivian Automotive opened on Monday, a new low following the CNBC report that Ford is selling 8 million shares of the electric vehicle startup. Rivian fell 13% to $25 a share, adding to a significant loss in the year. Yep. Rivian said in March it expected to produce 25,000 electric trucks in a startup-based supply chain. Yeah, they're going to go through a lot of problems. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. If you haven't done it already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. Beautiful people. We doing the market. We about to go back over to crypto. See what's going on. How is Coca-Cola doing? Let's check it out. See what some Coke is doing. Coca-Cola is doing bad, but it could be worse. In the last year, though, Coke is actually up. Look at that. Last year, 52-week high is 638. 52 low is 288. And that was close to a year ago. Literally a year ago. So Coca-Cola is technically doing good and they paying dividends. So, Warren Buffett, he probably still got a big bag over there. Now let's go back over to crypto. Oh, I didn't even have it showing. But y'all heard what I said. Crypto news up. I need to charge my. That's the worst. Your computer die while you're doing a live. Best crypto affiliate programs. Oh, that's good for me. Make some money telling you guys go to the links in the bio. Let's see if I can find some good sponsorship companies, because when I tell you guys your favorite influencers or people that's YouTuber, you about to see them taking all type of crazy sponsorships, because people money, you got to think. First, your YouTube revenue is going to go down because companies don't want to pay crazy money for ads right now because, the market is crashing. So your YouTube revenue is about to go down. Sponsors is going to back up a little bit. One of my sponsors hit me up today. Hey, Lando, sorry, the market is bad. We got to revisit everything in June. I wasn't mad because I knew it. I'm like, hey, I get it. It's just shit. Y'all don't got no money. Everybody losing money, especially if you like crypto right now. So I completely get it. So watch out for the people that you watch on what type of stuff they're going to be promoting to you guys. If y'all see me promoting something crazy, I'm going to blink 6 times. Y'all see me start blinking when I'm telling buy this new NFT that's dropping tomorrow. Y'all see me wink, don't buy it. I just need to get a bag real quick. Nah. Oh, Lord. All right, Change Now. I never heard of Change Now. Created a blockchain experts and developer. Change Now is limitless crypto swap platform with the best exchange rates. Their crypto affiliate program is free to register, making it perfect to choose start now. Unlike most affiliate exchanges, support a wide range of crypto. Got to check out Change Now. Anybody hip to that? Paxful, never heard of Paxful? Is an exchange platform that handles over 25 million. I've been getting non-stop exchange platform emails for sponsorships. I get about 2 a day. And it's like, how the hell are y'all creating all of these damn exchanges? I think I woke up to one. Let me see what it said. I probably got one while I was on this live, or I probably deleted it. Yeah, I think I deleted it. But yeah, since I don't use any of those, it's hard for me to justify me doing it. If I don't use it, it's hard for me to really like sell and promote it really. Coin Mama? Coin Mama is a crypto exchange platform. Okay, at least Coin Mama been out since 2013. Now, I can get jiggy with something that's been out for a while. Most of these are new, and they're offering me a crazy bag to do it. Coin Mama, let's see. Like, and this is exactly how they all look. So, Coin Mama, y'all can reach out to a player. I will respond to that email. Trezor, Coinbase, how to choose an affiliate program. A great article. I like that. That's for people like me. Bitcoin approaches critical support at 30,000. So you don't want to know what's crazy? I honestly think a lot of this crazy dip is coming from. Let me put my conspiracy theory hat on, right? So let me go. Is it Michael? What's my man name? Michael. M-I-C-H-A-E. Is this Michael Saylor, right? Michael Saylor. And they keep on putting this article out saying if Bitcoin reaches 21,000, he's basically like about to go broke. Watch this. And they just been keep on putting that out there. And let me see. Look, a Bitcoin margin call. They keep on putting this out there, and I think they're trying to put this into the universe. A Bitcoin margin call. If the world leading cryptocurrency drop below 21,000, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy will be forced to pay up. Michael Saylor is perhaps one of the most fervent supporters of Bitcoin on the planet. And that's saying something given the almost cult-like community behind the world-leading cryptocurrency. Saylor, an MIT graduate and a co-founder and the CEO of the business intelligence firm MicroStrategy, has become a hero to Bitcoin. Keep on going. Okay, get to the point. Explain the company. Okay. They said on a company earnings call on Tuesday that if Bitcoin price fall below 21,000 or around 50% from its current level, it will be forced to pony up more crypto to back its 205 million Bitcoin collateralized loan with so-and-so bank that was used to buy Bitcoin in the first place. So these N-words bought $200 million worth of crypto with a loan. How the hell you get to do that? You just got to be rich to get 200 million to put in crypto, which was a terrible. It's a bad idea until it's not, or it's a good idea until it's not. So whatever. I'm not rich enough to be able to do that, but you borrow money to put into crypto, and you are, you have to pay 205 million. Well, that's a lot of money, but it'd be all right. We took out a loan at 25% LTV. The margin call occurs at 50%. So essentially, Bitcoin needs to cut half round to get margin call. As you can see, we mentioned previously, we have quite a bit of uncollateralized Bitcoin. So we have more of that to contribute in case we have a downward volatility. But again, we're all talking about 21,000 before it gets to that point where we need to be before the margin call. Still, taking out a loan collateralized by Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin is a risky game. I wouldn't do that. If the world leading cryptocurrency falls and a margin calls go through, MicroStrategy will be put in a tough spot. I don't think it will go that far, but geez, I don't know. To make that, brother, margin call, what y'all thoughts about that? What y'all think? What y'all think about that? Everybody in here, Michael Saylor. There we go. We got him. We figured it out. Y'all know who I was talking about. Y'all knew who I was talking about. But yeah, back to this. All right, Bitcoin loan term forecast bearish. All indications are that Bitcoin will hit the low of 32,000, basically under 33,000, again before new uptrend. What is Bitcoin at right now? Up, we are past what y'all must. Oh, I think we went past what y'all talking about. Yeah, 32. Let me see. 32.9. Hold on. 32.9. Yeah. So they're saying we have to hit this and we should be up, going up right about now. See, there we go. We up. We going up. So it was right. Again, before new uptrend. Moreover, the current downtrend has reached the oversold area of the market. Today, BTC price has dropped to the low of that. At the time of writing this, Bitcoin is falling and approaching the psychological price of 30,000. On the upside, Bitcoin will pull back and rise above the 30,000 support. On the other hand, if the bears break down below the psychological price, BTC will begin to fall and regain the low. See, these people, they smart dummies. They don't be knowing nothing. They don't be knowing nothing. Shiba made correct fervor. Shiba hit. Jesus, Shiba getting whooped on. Anybody still invested in these meme coins? The price 10 cents an unexpected jump. Yeah, man, nothing Shiba has done. You got the little Shiba metaverse. That didn't help out anything. We still have some Shiba people in here. Solana breaches a critical support. Everything is at a damn critical support at this point. Everything. Oh, man, we just reached a critical support. Critical support here, everywhere. Above 60K Bitcoin transferred. Whales exchange. Tron. Oh, did you guys hear about that Tron ETF? I mean, not ETF. I'm crazy. Tron is USDD stablecoin. I read about it yesterday, but I'm not hip to it. Tron new algorithmic stablecoin USDD go live. They said this is also a reason why people are moving away from UST. Quick take. Tron new algorithmic stablecoin follows the success of Terra UST, which topped 18 billion total insurance. Near Protocol. Come on, dude. Come on. Near Protocol has also rolled out its own stablecoin in recent weeks. I was wondering why Near Protocol been going hard, even while everything been going down. Tron new algorithmic stablecoin USDD has officially gone live on a blockchain, according to a spokesperson for the company. The stablecoin, similar to every way of UST, is designed to incentivize arbitrageurs to keep its price closely pegged to that US dollar. Through trading between Tron token and USDD like Terra, Tron has, so they basically did the exact same thing as Terra Luna. Tron unveiled its plan to roll out USDD on April 21st. According to the announcement, the stablecoin will be available on Ethereum and BNB chain. In an interview, the founder, he said he sees USDD as becoming just like Bitcoin, except that the price in theory will be aligned with that the US dollar. Both he and Terra founder Duquan has spoken of their desire to build stablecoins that are resistant. We need to make the stablecoin in the industry just as decentralized as Bitcoin, so no one can touch it, Sun said. I believe in the next 5 or 10 years, crypto will be settled by decentralized stablecoins. I 100% agree. The reason being is where we at now, Bitcoin is too volatile. It always have been. You can't really have massive adoption of something so unstable. You need consistency, and consistency is going to come with a stablecoin. So the question is, which stablecoin are we going to adopt to? Because everybody's coming out with one every week now. And it's come down to US probably. They're going to have their USDC or whatever they have coming out. No meme coin, sir. We got Yoder in the building. What up, though? That is a big hold of mine, and that is dropping hard. Algo was holding up heavy for a second. Then Algo went down and got beat up just like everybody else. All right, real quick, let's go back to the market coverage, see what's going on over in
Hey, Jonathan, you talked about you guys are doing big expansion, right? You're opening 4 more farms this year. The 5th one I noticed in your release.
He's right,
paused,
man. Everything is made in the lab
financing.
at this point.
And in this environment where rates are going up, are you finding that financing is tougher to get, and do you expect it to continue to be tougher to get for further expansion?
Well, I mean, obviously, in this environment today, it's everybody is questioning where the world's going in the coming months. But food security is something that
App Harvest. Anybody heard of App Harvest? App Harvest. It went up high as $35. Well, why I'd say $20? Oh, that's 50. I'm thinking, okay, 52-week high. And low. So they at the lowest they can go right now. If you believe in them, it's a buying opportunity. Oh, man. Okay, what's going on over here? So we only down 300 points. So it's sliding, but I think it's going to slide harder. Okay, we got Target is in the green. Tesla is about to go back under 800. Tesla is on its way under 800. I'm telling y'all, I think it's going to be a 700 point plus day. I think it's going to crash heavy. It's just starting off low, slow, but Tesla's going down. We got Facebook under 200. Apple about to be under 150. Wonder if is biotech. Let's see, is biotech still up? Buying up. Okay, so I'm about to say shoot, if that end up still going red, because I was telling people the other day or yesterday, I was saying with so many earning reports coming out today, the problem is. You can have, let's say we have 10 earner reports. Say you got 10 earner reports coming out today. The problem is 8 of them could do amazing and 2 do very bad, and the bad apple mess it up for everybody. So back in the day, you get a good strong earner from a top company, shit popping off. So the market cap, the highest one coming out today is Duke Energy Corporation. I'm not hip to Duke Energy. They got a lot of money. Their earning call is going to be expected to before. Okay, so they already did theirs before the market opened. See, Simon. I think I seen Simon. Simon Property Group. Come on, move out my way. Simon Property Group got one coming out. Talked about bio. Tyson Foods, they said they did good because people were still eating some food. Palantir is getting whooped on, down 20% last time we checked it. Essentials, utilities, what's that? Is AMC, yep, AMC doing their earning call today. Let's see, did they do theirs? Expected to report earnings after market close. That's going to be big. That's going to be big to see AMC earnings. Wonder what people thinking about that at first. AMC. Yeah, AMC starting off down. AMC stock underperform. I want to see what all the AMC people going to say when this report come out bad, because you have so many people do non-stop AMC stock videos 50,000 times a day. So yeah, Q4, everything did good because people back in the movies. So you see, December, hey, look at that, everything was up. Meme favorite AMT earnings preview. It's time for AC followed by a live blog. Yeah, man, people, that's gonna be a good one. I'll probably do a video about it because a lot of people love AMC. And I actually own some AMC, actually. I never sold it. I'm actually up because I got it. Oh, the company popped 5%. I think I'm up. The release. That's good. That'd be a fun one. That would be a fun one to cover. I like AMC. What else we got going down? All right, let's go. Coin market cap. See what we're looking like. We're still down 5% with crypto. Bitcoin at 32,000. Ethereum under 2,400. Cardano 66 cents. Luna is still at under 60 cents. $60. Shiba getting whooped 11%. Tron is actually up 15% in the last week. I guess that's because of their low stable coin. Your low stable coin you got popping, but they at least ain't doing too bad. Near Protocol up. That shit went 5 to 3% real quick. Near Protocol got their stable coin, and they are in the green right now. Let's see how long that's going to last. Chrono's getting whooped on the worst, and it makes sense for the exchanges to get beat on the worst because people are selling like crazy on your exchanges, so you're losing money. And, they paying money on advertising. They just did another Joel Embiid, so they paying money, advertising everywhere. People taking their money off the exchanges. You're losing money on the DeFi side, so they make sense to be down the worst. 20%. What is B? Other exchanges? BNB 15%. And that make a little bit of sense. We got Algorand. Algorand up 10% in the last week. So they doing anything 65 cents, but they're taking a heavy hit right now. FTX close to it. So all the exchanges is going to be down heavy. ApeCoin down to $10.60. Oh, no. Ooh, boy. $10.60. Jeez. Well, I said ApeCoin is a $9 to $12 coin. Look at that. True. Tough, y'all. That's tough. That's tough. Hit that $27 and said, I'm gone. Back all the way under. Anybody still holding ApeCoin? People got mad at me when I told everybody to sell it. But it be like that sometimes. H-Bar, that's a good buy at 12 cents. I like that. Sandbox. So everything is completely getting whooped down. Let's see. Let me see what you just said. If I'm more aware of how the announcement hype up projects, then after the event it goes back up. What you think about Algo and FIFA? I love Algo. I still do $10 into algo every other day. So I'm going to keep on doing that. I'm happy to see why everything is crashing. Algorand freaking is holding up very, very well at 65 cents. That's real good in my opinion. So it encouraged me to keep doing what I'm doing, take advantage of it. I'll probably buy some today. But look how everything is getting beat up. This is doing great. Can't complain. Down in the last year. Last year it was at $1 or something. You know, it's still opportunity. I like what they're doing. Fee, what you say? Did you say fit fee? Come on, dude. They don't want a player to go back. Old school way. Fit fee. I'm more of a what's the other one? Steppin'. Because right now Steppin' literally has an app. I can use Steppin' right now and use it. You know, I like that. But with Fit Fee, it's just newer. And I believe they should be better. Fit Fee. Where is that? Only on crypto.com? Let's try. Step at 43 cents. 50. 43 cents down bad. 26% because it was holding up strong. But you know, it's a newer company. You gotta see how you gonna last. It's just this gonna show you who are the real companies. Because the thing is, I always showed you guys on my lives. I can show you what Bitcoin has done through adversity. It's been through adversity before. It already did all this stuff. It's okay. It's okay. Went to 60,000, then went back down to 30 and went back up to 60. We've been there before. Companies that never had any adversity, it's tough. It's tough. You look at a meme coin, you look at Doge. Thanks for that like, whoever did it. Make sure you guys press that like button. We got a super chat. Hold on, we got to shut it down. When we get a super chat, they get top priority. Jay Morrison in the building. He say TALCX hidden gem, low supply, great room from gains. Now, what's that? TALCX. Put me on game. What is that? Low supply, great room for gains. LCX. Is that a stock or is that a, let's see, LCX? Or is that a crypto? Are you talking about this? Is this what you're talking about, Jay? Let me know exactly what you're talking about so we can look it up and check it out. And check it on out. Let me know. But I definitely appreciate you. All the bad things they said about your dog, I know half of them aren't true. And if anybody got your back, your boy Lando got your back. So drop an exclusive bomb for Jay Morrison. My G. Appreciate it. All right, what we was looking at? We was looking at the market. Okay, he said that's it. All right, cool. Let's look at it. So, all right. So the company came in business. They've been around since 2020, so they're not brand new. Looking at this in general. Boom, traded sideways, went up, boom, went up. This honestly looks great. Just looking at the graph, you got to look at this. Traded sideways, went up, boom, new level. Traded sideways, went up, boom, new level. And it went down, but still went higher past their new level. And this is doing the same as everything, because look, this is when Bitcoin reached its all-time high. So right around there, and now it's following suit. Let me see something. Let me see something. I want to see how close is it mirroring Bitcoin. Okay, last year. Okay, this was November 8th. Yep. So look at that. So this is not bad because it's on Bitcoin timeline. So that's good. I like it. All right, we got market cap 66 million. Coin circulation is 750 million, which is great. It's under $1 billion. We like that. Now we have to see what does they do. The digital asset revolution. The future will be tokenized. LCX is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Join. But what exactly?
LCX.com, the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange, is a regulated fintech company that focuses on digital asset trading, compliant token offerings, and tokenization. LCX is headquartered in Liechtenstein, with offices in Switzerland, India, and USA. In 2020, LCX received 8 crypto-related approvals by view integration and DeFi indicators such as liquidity and volume. Portfolio management platform across
it's
all
like an
major
exchange. It's weird. It's unique. I had to check them out a little bit more. Had to check them out, but definitely might be a good company if y'all invested in it. Let a player know. All right, it's an exchange. Okay, all right. I'm about to say it. Seemed like exchange. Okay, it's exchange like Crow. Okay, I like that. Man, I wish VRO would just go to one so I could sell. Let's see VRO. Let's see what it's doing. Who I was selling that yesterday with shit, I forget who I was talking to. Well, this is not it. This is not $1. Which V? Did you mean VThor? Because this is past $1. Where you buy that? Jay, where do you buy that at? Where can people buy it? Can they buy it on like crypto.com right now? Partner with QNT. Oh, I had to check on my phone. Jay, let people know where you can buy it at. Oh, he said he meant Crow. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you get it on crypto.com. But yeah, it's tough out here in these streets. Back to the streets. Phantom look oversold while buy signals appear. Bitcoin, Ethereum down 50% from all-time high. Avalanche co-founder doubts Bitcoin supremacy in 15-20 years. Say somebody's going to jump them. Bitcoin tumbled to lowest since July. 3 possible reasons for Bitcoin 6K weekly crash. Coinbase faces Q1 earnings challenge as crypto. Oh, so is Coinbase having an earnings call today? First quarter earning on Tuesday. Okay, so there's tomorrow, and they already getting whooped on, man. Because Coinbase it's attached to crypto, and my thing with Coinbase, this is my problem. I was so bullish on Coinbase, but that was without my logic. logically, number one, investors in the New York Stock Exchange, they don't technically like Coinbase for multiple reasons. They don't like because they don't like crypto. So if top of Wall Street don't like crypto, why would they put their money in a New York Stock Exchange company that's have exchange, based on crypto? And if you are interested or bullish in crypto, instead of investing in this New York Stock Exchange company, they just gonna go right to the daddy and invest in Bitcoin or the crypto they like. It don't make sense to necessarily buy any Coinbase stock if you are a big bull person. And us, like, do any of you guys hold Coinbase stock? I did hold Coinbase stock, and I forget, I sold it because I was hella bullish, and then I had to wake up. Let's go back to the first one. Okay, nothing new over there. My Moomoo. Let's go to let's look at some DeFi. I want to see some DeFi levels on Treasury sell-off abates after 10-year yield briefly spike 3.2%. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. If you haven't did already, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let us know where you're checking in from. And since the market is crashing, go ahead, get you some free stocks with Moomoo with the link in the bio. Yeah, let's check out. Let's look at the DeFi world real quick. We'll start MMF. Let me get ready to put my handy dandy wallet up in here. We'll look at the vaults first. And yeah, I sold my stuff out of my MMO probably like a few days ago because it didn't make sense to just get beat up while everything is crashing. And just gonna come back in here today. I'm gonna probably put some money in Hakuna Matata because that actually looked promising with the APRs they're giving. Come on, dude. I just connected you. Are you playing with my emotions, Smokey? Y'all playing with my emotions. While we're waiting on that to load, we can see what's going on in good old SVN. Oasis. Took my money up out of here for a second. Get that in the sideline. Actually, do they have their percentages APR? So the APR is, and it's no point technically to put it right here if you can put it in Hakuna Matata. Because look at this, right? You see the APR is 390%. Daily APR is 1%, which is good. But look at, before, let's see, we have MMO and Crow. MMO is back at 1,000% APY. Once price go up, it's going to lower down. But you can get some Crow off of this. If you want to do anything, now mind you, I'm not a financial advisor, just Black Ref Getting some game. If you do want to do anything over in the vault, me personally, it's a good time. You can do MMO because this is going to earn you. You're getting a crazy APY, so you're going to be able to make some money, and you're going to get Wrap Crow. Basically, you're getting Crow back, so that's not bad right now. Where everything is going to shits. Another percentage. I wouldn't mess with that. Savannah, I wouldn't mess with that. That's crazy. Percentage M shares and MMF. I would be debatable about that. And besides that, I'd be on some chill mode. But now remember, we just showed you this percentage, right? 374 just went up higher. Let me show y'all how crazy this stuff is. I gotta see what's the website name of that for that. The website is hkn.finance. Now look at this. Daily APR 32% right now, yo. Look at this. 32%, so it's 30 times higher over here. And the APR is over 11,000. I'm definitely putting some money over here because the percentages too. It don't matter how low the price go down. Y'all giving player some money like that. Shit. Let's get it. You just got to make sure everything is connecting, because I did see people on Twitter was mad when they was trying to connect their stuff. Let's see. Elon, what you talking about? Chocolate milk is insanely good. Just had some. Calm down, Mus. Let's see, is the people yelling at them or not? 11 hours ago. What I prefer. Let's talk about. There we go. So this would have started at, but the price was higher. Please fix MMF money, Black Loading Network. Don't worry. Hakuna Matata today. Cost will be over $10. Will's waiting for paper hand. Price of Hakuna Matata started going up. I'm in. 37% was in. So it's earning. He put 29,000 in. That's tough for 20. I guess, you know what, with those percentages, take advantage of it and take it out when you want to. Welcome to the jungle. Somebody put 1,500 in there. Okay, so it's working. Yeah, it's working. I want to get it. I want to get in the fun. Increase your slippage and gas. Okay, so everything is working. You just got to know how to do it. Clear some of these on out. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. What y'all got going on today? My plan. Oh, Frail Boy that made it up in here. Say what's up to my player. What's up? What up? You done made it on in here, player. We've been doing it. Need some info because not much videos on it. Yeah, you got to check them out. I'm scared to even look at my accounts. I haven't checked my Robinhood account no more. I'm down about 8K from all-time highs. My crypto, I'm down to. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. It really is. The question is, did you sell any of your positions? Because my thing is, okay, let's talk about selling. Because people say, man, never sell whatever it is. You can sell. The problem I hate selling right now is selling at a loss. And this is a bad loss. Anybody selling right now is not making any money. If you want to sell, this is how you do it, in my opinion. So let's say, for example, let me just go to Coinbase. Say, for example, you wanted to sell, you got a lot of money in Shiba. You invested in Shiba. You just been getting smacked, right? So let's say a year, we going to say, look at Shiba a year ago. You bought in right here. Everybody buying at the high. You bought in right here. Money is completely going down. You like, all right. Now, if it's a company like Shiba, I'll give you a few scenarios. With Shiba, let's say your chance of it going back up to right here is low. So you can just sell it right now. So let's say you had 10,000 in there and now you got 1,000. So you're down $9,000. You pissed the hell off. Take that 1,000 out and you're literally just transferring that money to something more promising, something stronger, but have a good, still good upside. For example, you can put that $1,000 in Solana. I personally will put it in Terra Luna because I know Luna can snap his fingers and just completely shoot up very quickly. Like, this is opportunity. Just look at this. This is in 2021. This is all within a year, people. Luna was low as $3. It's at 59. As high as $120. So I will trade it and do it like that and work on your way of getting that $9,000 back that you lost. That's plan A. Plan B is, let's say you invested in good old ApeCoin. You're like, hey, man, I want to get in on ApeCoin. Everybody was talking about it. Money going wild. Let's check it out. So you invested in ApeCoin, and you know when you invested in at the high. So right around $27, we're gonna be nice. We just say you invest at $26. Soon as you invested in, money started going down. Now it's at $10. So if you invested in at $26, 50% of that is $13. So you're down well over 50%. We're just gonna say 60% right now on your money, which is not good. So if you invested $10,000, you're down $6,000. You got $4,000 left. What I would do in this scenario is I will wait for ApeCoin to hit over $16. Once it hit over $16, that's when I would sell. I will literally have an alert, have an order, because now you can gain some money back. I don't want to do the math off the top of my head because I don't know. But if you, we just gonna say, because it's not the right math. Let's say you get extra $3,000 back if it sold at $16, because more than likely it will hit 16 and go back down. It even could be $15. It could be whatever level you like to do, but you would have to really do a analysis off of it bouncing back up and what you think it would do. Because you see, like, okay, it went to 14, boom, it did a little $2 jump. And that's how you would have to take a loss on something like that. And, sell. And I will probably go like hard in DeFi at that point. I'm like, look, let me take, I'm down $6,000, but I got 4,000. Let me take 2 and put in DeFi and Hakuna Matata while you got these APRs and you could possibly make your money. So my thing is, it's okay to sell. And all right, and the third way. Third way is you getting your ass beat, right? Let's say you're on Bitcoin. Come on. Come and talk to me. Really? All right, let's say you're on Bitcoin. You're getting completely smoked. You're getting beat down at this point. Now, let's say people like, all right, man, don't sell. Let's say, for example, you notice in the last week, you're like, man, it's getting worse. If this gets to 36,000, I'm going to sell. And with that big drop, you sold right here. Completely sold right here. If you sold, you're technically, let's say if you had one Bitcoin, you technically saved $4,000 from losing. The question is, it's on you to figure out, when do you buy back in? You don't want to buy back in right here because it was pointless for you to sell. Long as you buy back in under this point, you're good. Now, you have a few different ways to do it. You can be like, okay, let's wait for 2 days in the green. Look at right now, we're down 6%. Whenever I see this is green at noon today, then green at noon tomorrow, it's like, okay, we might be up on a positive thing going, but you really want to buy in on the red. It's just hard to time it that way. So those are a few different ways you can actually sell if you want to, because a lot of people be like, man, paper hands, don't sell. The hell with that. It's your money. Choose wisely. And sometimes you're getting your ass beat. You got to take yourself back. You got to reevaluate. If not, just dollar cost average. We're going to be okay. We don't know how long it's going to go down, but, that's how it goes. I actually don't like to look no more. I don't look at it every day. Would you borrow money to buy crypto, y'all? That's a great question. Right. My answer would change probably every day. I don't want to. That light been on too long. I'm giving y'all a long live today, man. We had an hour 35. I'm giving y'all a long one. My answer would change every day. Right now, today is obviously no, because we talked about how Michael Saylor, Sayer, however you say his last name, how if Bitcoin go to 21,000, he's going to get margin call. So it looks like a terrible idea for him. So I wouldn't do it right now because it's too volatile. And even if it goes up, we don't know when it's going to go up. Let's say you borrow the money and it trades sideways for the next 3 years and you're screwed technically. So I technically wouldn't do it. But if you would asked me this question 3 months ago, I would have said yes. So it really depends on when you ask. All right. Fred Boy said, I would, but you got to really know what you're doing. I will borrow my crypto or stocks against my crypto or stocks. There you go. Do it right there. Asking for a friend. Ape was $7 when it first launched on crypto.com. Didn't buy, scared money, don't make no money. But you had to buy and sell with ApeCoin. So just buying wasn't going to fully do it. You had to buy and sell at the top. Like if you was in on ApeCoin, you really had to time it out, and nobody, for the most part, was just gonna do it. Because if you got in, I don't even know how somebody could get in at $7. But if you got in right here, how you know it's because look, it just kept on going up. Boom. You're like, oh man. Okay, calm down. Nope. Boom. It's going up. It's gonna slow down. Nope, kept going. You're like, it gotta slow down. It's not gonna hit $20. Boom. Hit $20. It's not gonna hit $25. Boom. So you was riding the wave. You're like, shit, there's no point of selling. So I timed it perfectly, but I bought in right here and sold right here. So I only made $300 in a day and get in and get out. So you had to be real on your game to be able to do that and take advantage of it and know what was going on. Stock slid, extending year losses. Let's see, Dow still going down. Is it? Yes. Let's see. When did the market open on that? NASDAQ is sliding even harder. Dow dropped more than 500 points as a sell-off. What I tell people, I said we're going over 700 points today. We're going to finish over 700 or worse. Crypto going down too hard for it not to. For it might have a very bad news for Rivian. We know that. Apple and Tesla haven't went under 800 yet. And Apple haven't went under 150 yet. So they still doing a thing. Airlines are down. Door, why are you up? They do earnings. I actually own Thor for a second because I, drive RVs and stuff for a living since I'm always in them and I see that industry. I got in for a hot second. NVIDIA been getting whooped on year to date. Where you at right now? Sliding like everybody else. Coinbase. I wonder how low can Coinbase go? Jesus. And this is doing bad before the earnings call tomorrow. This is bad. I hope it just don't get whooped on. Crypto Coinbase hit lows as crypto crumbles. When does exchanges platform become a buy? That's a great question. When do it become a buy? Coinbase Global, the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the U.S., is on track to open Monday trading below $100, setting a record trading ahead of earnings report due out this week. Coin finds itself down 70% from its IPO date a little over a year ago, dating back to April 14th. Moreover, the stock also dropped 55% in 2022, plunging 12% during the last Thursday Wall Street washout. With cryptocurrency market under pressure, 2022, when will coin become a buy? Is coin a buy? Even with its recent decline, most Wall Street experts still hold a bullish view on coin of the 25 analysts. So people are still bullish on it because they bullish on crypto. They like, look, it's good. So it's definitely opportunity. It's just, I wouldn't buy right now. While majority of Wall Street remain bullish on coin, there are some signs of dissent. As the graphic shows, the two analysts list the firm as a sell or strong sell. Meanwhile, coin price target recently lowered to 135 to 150 firm at the same time. True. Yeah, man, that's interesting. Rocket. When is Rocket earnings report? I was bullish on Rocket when they first IPO'd and ain't did nothing since. I got in Rocket at like $20. I forgot when did I sell Rocket. Ain't made no money over there. Dan Gilbert, we have to build more homes. And it's going to be even worse because nobody is refinancing their house. Not no more. So I don't see too much opportunity over in good old Rocket. Yeah. So I might come back later and do AMC to see what they got going on when they do their earning report, because that would be interesting to see what's popping and talk about. But let's see what y'all saying on what's that? Ask for a friend. So I appreciate you guys. We did a live earning call. We'll probably do a closing call and come back since I am home today. But it's time for me to go make some money to buy this dip a little bit. Stay strong. Hey man, just shut it down if you got to. It's gonna be tough for some people.
They took my job.
It's bad, but y'all'll be alright. Stocks go down every day, B. I see. I got some money. Nope. Cash App spent. I need some good emails. I need some sponsorships. I need to start responding to some of these because this is not going to work. Go bet on some basketball, NBA tonight or something. Crypto after dark. You know it. Crypto after dark. Ethereum finally going sideways. Wonder if this a low. Everything is stopping from going down and on sideways since 8 this morning. So we might have a bounce.
Don't
Look at this. We might. This is a sign.
I know what I want
Going down.
just for me.
Or it could keep on going. Everybody doing the same. Besides Crow. Crow tried to hang with everybody and go sideways. All right, I'll be back. Let me charge this camera.